Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as of today, Tesla just broke their all-time high mark. Again, just pretty much like they did every single week the first half of 2020. Tesla in after hours today currently sits at $1,933.31, and a whole bunch of people are getting rich of Tesla stock right now. Elon Musk, the chairman and CEO of Tesla, is currently the world's fourth richest person, and before the beginning of 2020 he wasn't even in the top 30, but due to the movement of Tesla stock he's now the fourth. Tesla stock has grown 700% over the past year, and they're on track to 10x in the next few years. There's no doubt Tesla is the future. But are they a good investment though? Can this growth be sustained long term? Today we're going to analyze Tesla as a company, both from a practical and a sentimental point of view, to see if this company is positioned for long-term success. Here at Financial Fitness, we practice a style of investing called Rule 1 style of investing, and this pretty much has two rules. First rule is never lose money. Second rule is never forget the first rule. To use this strategy, there are four biggest questions we're going to have to answer about Tesla. Check out my video link in the description called the 4 M's of investing to know more about the strategy. Anyway, the first question is meaning. What does Tesla actually do and how do they make money? Second question is moats. Who's Tesla's competition and what separates Tesla economically and financially from their competition? Third is management. Who currently runs Tesla? Obviously Elon Musk, but what are his long-term views, and is Tesla positioned financially to be a healthy company? Last but not the least is margin of safety. What is the fair value for Tesla, and at what price do I plan on becoming a Tesla shareholder? Without further ado, let's get into the video. First off, Tesla is not just a car maker. They're actually a tech company, just like the Apples, the Facebook, the Googles, the Microsofts of the world. Tesla just happens to also make awesome cars. Tesla's mission and vision is to accelerate the world's transition towards renewable and sustainable energy, and they're doing a fine job at achieving this vision. Tesla is a two-part business. The first part is they are currently the #1 auto manufacturer in the world. They have surpassed every other single car maker right now. They currently produce zero emissions, completely electric vehicles such as the Model S, the Model X, the Model 3, and the Tesla Cybertruck. Second part to Tesla's business is they're also an electric utility company. With the acquisition of SolarCity in 2016 for $2.6 billion, they also store, generate, and distribute electricity across the world. They recently got approved to be one of the bigger electric distributors in the UK, and this is a big news for shareholders. Tesla is positioned for success in the future. In fact, I can say they are the future and they are inevitable. Tesla is redefining what a car should be like, and every other automaker is playing catch up at this point. The worst part is that fundamentally Tesla is a tech company, not an automaker, and they're also leading the race towards the fully self-driving car right now. As far as mode goes, Tesla pretty much has no competition. Actually, there's a bunch of other electric vehicle makers, but Tesla has been able to create a luxury brand out of the electric vehicle, something that no other car maker has been able to do. Right now, there's sort of a status symbol that comes with owning a Tesla, kind of like owning a Ferrari, except Ferraris are significantly more expensive than Teslas. Trust me, you cannot put a price on branding. Tesla is like the iPhone or the Apple of the auto industry, while every other car is like the Android, or they are like the Starbucks, while every other car is like your local coffee shop. They have this swagger about them. It's called the it factor. Nobody really knows what it is, but it's there. You can see it. As far as financials goes, Tesla has recorded a steady increase in profits every year over the past year. Although they haven't recorded a positive profit yet, they are on pace to do so in 2020. Their income statement shows a trailing 12-month profit of $400 million. However, they plan on sticking to their strategy of reinvesting profits into the business to keep growing the company. As for the balance sheet, Tesla has recorded a steady increase in shareholders' equity over the past few years. They went from $5 billion worth in 2017 to $11 billion in Q2 of 2020. Not even up to 3 years, they grew that much. The downside to their balance sheet is that they have also increased their debt burden, which is scary to potential investors like myself. But the good side is their current ratio, which is their current assets divided by their current liabilities, is a value of 1.5, which is okay as far as company financial goes. Numbers don't lie, and this is a fundamentally strong company. With their current share price, it is so easy for them to raise money whenever they need to. As for management, Tesla's CEO is Elon Musk. He's pretty much the Tony Stark of this universe, just like Iron Man and the MCU. He's just an awesome leader with a huge vision for the future that I totally agree with. He's also the head of certain huge companies like his space exploration company, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. I completely admire and agree with his vision for the future. However, I am currently not a Tesla shareholder.
Why?
I plan on changing that soon, but as of right now, I'm not. Morningstar, the #1 rating company I like to use, link in description, currently has Tesla at a fair value of $751. However, they currently sit at $1,930. However, some of these other rating companies like Moody has Tesla at a target price for over $2,400, which I believe, by the way, Tesla is gonna get there. However, Tesla announced a 5-to-1 stock split coming up soon, I believe at the end of this month of August. I definitely plan on being a shareholder of Tesla at the end of this month, right after the stock split. Although I believe Tesla is currently overvalued, and I believe they might be in sort of a bubble which might pop soon, this bubble is going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger before it pops. And I also intend on being a long-term investor in Tesla, so this doesn't matter if that bubble pops. I am going to invest constantly and constantly and constantly, because I believe over the next 10 years Tesla is going to surpass every single limitations by far. Although there's a little bit of greed with my decision to buy Tesla, but I truly do believe in the company fundamentally over the long term. I plan on putting about $10,000 into this company at the end of this month, but we'll see how it goes. Regardless of what happens, even if the bubble pops and Tesla drops like a 90% drop over the next couple months, I will consistently buy Tesla and dollar cost my average, because I believe Tesla is the future. That's it for the video, guys. I hope this video helped you with your analysis of Tesla. If you made it this far, please go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be on the lookout for future videos like this. Thank you.